The farad is the SI-derived unit of electrical capacitance, the ability of a body to store an electrical charge. It is named after the English physicist Michael Faraday. Definition: 1 farad is defined as the capacitance of a capacitor across which, when charged with 1 coulomb of electricity, there is a potential difference of 1 volt. Conversely, it is the capacitance which, when charged to a potential difference of 1 volt, carries a charge of 1 coulomb. A coulomb is equal to the amount of charge produced by a current of 1 ampere flowing for 1 second. For example, the voltage across the two terminals of a 1F capacitor will increase linearly by 1 V when a current of 1 A flows through it for 1 second. For most applications, the farad is an impractically large unit of capacitance. Most electrical and electronic applications are covered by the following SI prefixes. 1 millifarad of a farad equals 1000 microfarads equals 1 million nanofarads. 1 microfarad of a farad equals 1000 nanofarads equals 1 million picofarads. 1 nanofarad of a farad equals 1000 picofarads. 1 picofarad of a farad. Equalities: a farad has the base SI representation of S4 times 8 2 times M minus 2 times kilogram minus 1. It can further be expressed as where F equals farad, A equals ampere, V equals volt, C equals coulomb, J equals joule, M equals meter, N equals newton, S equals second, W equals watt, kilogram equals kilogram, omega equals ohm, H equals Henry. History: the term farad was originally coined by Latimer Clark and Charles Bright in 1861, in honor of Michael Faraday, for a unit of quantity of charge, but, starting in 1881 at the International Congress of Electricians in Paris, the name farad was officially used for the unit of electrical capacitance. Explanation: a capacitor consists of two conducting surfaces, frequently referred to as plates, separated by an insulating layer usually referred to as a dielectric. The original capacitor was the Leyden jar, developed in the 18th century. It is the accumulation of electric charge on the plates that results in capacitance. Modern capacitors are constructed using a range of manufacturing techniques and materials to provide the extraordinarily wide range of capacitance values used in electronics applications, from femtofarads to farads, with maximum voltage ratings ranging from a few volts to several kilovolts. Values of capacitors are usually specified in farads, microfarads, nanofarads and picofarads. The millifarad is rarely used in practice, for example, is instead written as 4700 microfarads, while the nanofarad is uncommon in North America. The size of commercially available capacitors ranges from around 0.1 picofarads to 5000 F supercapacitors. Parasitic capacitance in high-performance integrated circuits can be measured in femtofarads, while high-performance test equipment can detect changes in capacitance on the order of tens of attofarads. A value of 0.1 picofarads is about the smallest available in capacitors for general use in electronic design, since smaller ones would be dominated by the parasitic capacitances of other components, wiring or printed circuit boards. Capacitance values of 1 picofarad or lower can be achieved by twisting two short lengths of insulated wire together. The capacitance of the Earth's ionosphere with respect to the ground is calculated to be about 1 F. In formal and deprecated terminology, the picofarad is sometimes colloquially pronounced as puff or pic, as in a 10-puff capacitor. Similarly, mic is sometimes used informally to signify microfarads. If the Greek letter mu is not available, the notation UF is often used as a substitute for μF in electronics literature. Microfarad, an obsolete unit sometimes found in older texts, is the equivalent of a picofarad. In texts prior to 1960, and on capacitor packages even much more recently, MF or MFD rather than the modern micro-F frequently represented microfarads. Similarly, mmF represented picofarads. Related concepts: the reciprocal of capacitance is called electrical elastance, the unit of which is the derived CGS units. The ab-farad is an obsolete CGS unit of capacitance equal to 109 farads. This very large unit is used in medical terminology only. The stat-farad is a rarely used CGS unit equivalent to the capacitance of a capacitor with a charge of 1 stat-coulomb across a potential difference of 1 stat-volt. It is 1 farad, approximately 1.1126 picofarads.